Hi, in this tutorial I will show you an amazing tool from CapCut for PC, the AI frame expanding. Let's do it. Alright, I'll drag and drop this clip into my timeline. I'll reduce the video length for the purpose of this video for about 3 seconds. Let's check it out. Alright, and I want to change the aspect ratio of this video to transform this video into a square, but I don't want to crop the ratio. I want to create something above this clip, like a continuation of the sky. So I'll go here to the video tab, basic sub-tab. I will scroll down to AI expand, aspect ratio 1:1. I want to edit the expanded area and I will drag the clip here and expand a little bit. I do not want to rotate. I wanted to create this area here. So I'm expecting CapCut to create some trees and some sky. Just click on generate. Okay, he's done. Let's check it out. See? It created some trees up here and the sky that was white was expanded. Amazing tool. Really amazing tool. Let's check out the before. No sky at all. And after. Okay, but let's try with something more difficult. I'll delete this. I will drag this clip here. I will trim up to 3 seconds. Let's check it out. Okay, and I will challenge CapCut. AI expand. I want a square again, but I will place this clip in the middle. So I want him to create something above and something below. Let's generate and wait. Okay, let's confirm and let's check it out. Wow, see? It generates the cars from above and the cars from below. It's amazing. Let's check it out before. See this big truck? There's no information of this big truck before this clip. And CapCut just created. That's amazing. And that's AI frame expanding in CapCut for PC. If you like this content and want to support my channel, just hit the join button and become a member. You'll get access to all my videos 1 month ahead. And don't forget to like and subscribe to always get new content. See ya!